All right, everyone. Just a short update for you guys. Move day is here, and here is how everything is going. Just too much stuff to be done. I was so glad that we actually ended up bringing in a moving company. There were so many different things that needed to be packed and carefully moved out and loaded into the truck. And then, finally, my flight over from San Diego to our new destination. It was just at this moment was a very exciting as well as nerve-wracking experience where, we've lived in San Diego for such a long time, and now, leaving and going to a completely new place and arriving there. It was just, a hell of an experience. When you start to do this, you kind of realize you're starting a new life again. You're restarting, resetting everything, and going through, the whole process of setting up your roots in a completely new environment. Um, this was, in a way, just getting there is start to become a part of my journey. I want to take you guys with me to this journey, and I hope you continue to stay with me and keep watching. And please subscribe and hit the notification bell button. Thank you again. This was a short update. I will see you soon.